Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start question number 23 and the question is if under root 2 is equals to 1.414, under root 6 is equals to 2.449, find the value of 1 upon under root 3 minus under root 2 minus 1. So as I have told you yesterday also, for such type of question we will consider two values as 1. So here what I have done, here I have assumed minus 3 minus root 2 as A and 1 as B. Therefore, rationalizing factor will be under root 3 minus under root 2 plus 1. So, what we will do, we will multiply by its rationalizing factor, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 multiplied root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 upon root 3 minus under root 2 plus 1. Correct? So, in the numerator, it will remain as it is, root 3 minus root 2, we can break the brackets and just write it simply as it is. So now it is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b and a minus b will be a square minus b square. Correct? So it means root 3 minus under root 2 square minus 1 square. Clear till here? So this will be root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. This will be a minus b ka whole square, a minus b ka whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Students, always remember whatever the formula you are using, so you have to also write that formula in the right hand side. So this will be root 3 ka square plus root 2 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 and minus 1. So this will be root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Root 3 square will be 3, root 2 square will be 2, minus 2 under root 6 minus 1. Correct? So this will be minus root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 5 and 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 4 minus 2 under root 6. I hope it is clear. Now again root 6 is coming. So again we have to multiply it. So its rationalizing factor will be 4 plus 2 under root 6. What will be its rationalizing factor? Its rationalizing factor will be 4 plus 2 under root 6 in order to again rationalize the denominator. I hope it is clear. Now see, we will multiply by its rationalizing factor and that is 4 plus 2 under root 6. 4 plus 2 under root 6. Now let's multiply it all together. Now root 3 with all this, minus root 2 with all this and plus 1 with all this. So let's multiply. It will be 4 root 3, correct? Plus 2, 6 into 3 will be 18. This is multiplied. Now minus 4 under root 2, correct? Plus 2 under root 12, 6 2s are 12, plus 4 plus 2 under root 6 upon, this is minus over here, a square is 4 square minus 2 under root 6 square. Which formula? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So what we will get here? 4 under root 3 plus 2 under root 18 can be written as 9 2s are 18. So 3 into 3 into 2, correct? Minus 4 under root 2 plus 6. 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2s are plus 4 plus 2 under root 6 upon 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 6 4s are 24. So we can write here 4 root 3. This 3 can be taken common. So this will be 6 under root 2 minus 4 under root 2, correct? And this will be plus 4 under root 3 plus 4 plus 2 under root 6. So we got this one. And now 16 minus 24 will be minus 8. Now clearly you can see minus 4 under root 3 and plus 4 under root 3 will get cancelled. So we are left with 6 under root 2 minus 4 under root 2 plus 4 plus 2 under root 6 upon minus 8. Now 6 under root 2 and minus 4 under root 2 can be sorted out. Please students, few of you are asking to me, ma'am, how to simplify this? Beta, it is very simple to simplify because I told you with the same power of search and with the same number can be simplified as we have done in polynomials, exponents, in the same manner here also. So it will be 2 under root 2 plus 4 plus 2 under root 6 upon minus 8. And from here 2 can be taken common. So will be under root 2 plus under root 6 upon minus 8 and this will get cancelled. So you are left with under root 2 plus under root 6 and this will be minus 4. I hope it is clear till here. Now under root 2 value was 1.414. 2 has to be written like this and 6 was 2.4 449 upon minus 4. See, these values I have written it over here. Now you can just simplify and solve it. 1.414, this will be 2, correct, and this will be 2.449. so 9 and 4 13, 4 5 6, 4 4 8, 2 2 4 and 1 5. This will be 5.863 upon minus 4. Now let's divide. 4 ones are 4, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16, 2 remainder, 4 6s are 24, again 2 remainder, 4 5s are 20, again 3 remainder, and 4 7s are 28. So after rounding off, it can be written as minus 1.466, and this will be your final answer. See students, I have solved it for you all, and I want all of you to please do this question 2-3 times. See, again I am telling you, this is not a very big question. Don't be panic about it. Just the solution is little bit big, nothing else is there, and you have to pay so much attention in while doing the solution. And please remember, practice makes man perfect. So do the practice as much as you can for maths in order to be perfect. Thank you all.